Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm ThangBK Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Vector Databases. Giving your AI a memory. Imagine talking to someone who forgets everything you just said. That's often how AI used to be. Large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT are powerful, but they usually start with a blank slate each time you talk to them. They don't remember past conversations or all the relevant data needed for complex tasks. Think of it like having a super smart calculator, but it can't save your previous calculations or use external notes. Vector databases solve this forgetfulness problem. They act like an organized digital notebook for your AI. Instead of storing raw data, text, images, etc., they store embeddings. Embeddings are numerical representations of data that capture its meaning. Similar things get similar numbers. Think of it as assigning each piece of information a unique address based on its characteristics. Imagine you're describing different fruits. Instead of writing apple, banana, orange, you could represent them with numbers based on color, shape, sweetness, etc. An apple might be 1, 0, 1, 0.8, reddish, roundish, not sour, sweet, while a lemon might be 0, 0, 0, 0.2, not reddish, roundish, very sour, not sweet. LLMs and other models can create these fruit fingerprints automatically. And that is an embedding. Vector databases store these fingerprints. 1. Data ingestion. **** You feed your data, text, images, code, into an embedding model, like OpenAI's *text embedding Ada002 2. Embedding generation. The model creates vector embeddings for each piece of data. 3. Storage. The vector database stores these embeddings, along with links back to the original data. 4. Search. **** When you ask a question, the question is also converted into an embedding. Then the database finds the stored embeddings that are closest to the question embedding. This closest means most similar in meaning. 5. Result retrieval. The database retrieves the original data linked to those closest embeddings. 1. Semantic search. **** Search by meaning, not just keywords. Find information related to fast cars, even if the text doesn't contain those exact words. 2. Contextual understanding. **** Give your AI the context it needs to answer questions accurately and relevantly. 3. Personalization. **** Store user preferences as embeddings and recommend content based on similar users. 4. Scalability. **** Handle massive amounts of data efficiently. Vector databases are designed for speed, even with billions of data points. Several vector databases exist, each with strengths and weaknesses. Examples include Pinecone, ****, a popular managed service known for its speed and scalability. Chroma, ****, an open-source embedding database built with Python and ideal for LLM applications. Weaviate, ****, another open-source option with advanced features like graph capabilities. Choosing the right one depends on your specific needs and budget. Python. Conceptual example. Actual code depends on the database. Number 1. Create embedding. Embedding equals model. Create _ embedding. What is the capital of France? Quote. Number 2. Search the database. Results equals vector _db. Search. Embedding. Top _k equals 3. Find the 3 closest matches. Number 3. Print the results. For result in results, print, result, text, #access original data. This shows the basic flow. Embed your query. search for similar vectors, and retrieve the associated information. Each database's API will vary, but this illustrates the concept. Vector databases are a crucial tool for modern AI development. Start experimenting with a free tier of a cloud-based service like Pinecone or a local open source solution like ChromaDB. Try indexing some text data and querying it using embeddings. You'll quickly see the power of giving your AI a memory. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.